Taoiseach, yesterday's court services reports reveal 13.6% increase in new sexual offences cases, a figure that we should all be deeply concerned about in this House. Ireland's population, approximately 5.4 million, almost a decade ahead of the earlier demographic projections, shows that our justice system remains starkly opaque. We do not publish monetised data on national or nationality or immigration status of individuals with convicted of serious crimes, including sexual or violent crimes. This data is collected and collated but is withheld for public scrutiny. Taoiseach, in the United Kingdom, it is now known that 1 in 4 sex crimes are committed by foreign nationals, according to Women's Safety Initiative and the Telegraph. So, Taoiseach, I ask you, will your government implement the similar legislation in the United Kingdom, in Denmark and in the rest of the European Union for the collation of this and the distribution of the data? Thank you. Apologies, Keogh.
Deputy, I would say to you, David, everything has to be evidence-based. And your assertions, like one of the biggest major research into sexual abuse in this country was done nearly 2 decades ago, and it was quite revealing. And it wasn't revealing in terms of race or anything like that. It was revealing in terms of the prevalence of abuse across the country. But one would argue in earlier periods, but it still continues. If you look at all the inquiries we've had in terms of institutional abuse in industrial schools, we just announced today a commission of inquiry into sexual abuse in all primary and all second level schools. And by definition, given the historical time frame for that inquiry, it's not a race-focused thing.
Will you publish
because no, just to get my point, I think we do need to.
Deputy, time is up. Thank you, Taoiseach. Deputy, please.
I just told you.
Taoiseach, time is up. Please. Deputy, you've asked your question.
I mentioned what happened in industrial schools, Deputy. I've mentioned what's happened in schools in terms of other institutional settings.
Deputy
long before there was any, moderate sort of increase.
Please, Taoiseach, we have other members. Deputy Brendan Smith.